Lower down the flame.
Lower down, lower down, lower down.
Rapier is ready. One end, you press and control the thickness of the dough. Hello guys from Maestro Iacopelli. Too much flour. This video is crazy because we just hit 800,000 subscribers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys changed my life. The new goal, December. Let's make this channel to 1 million subscribers. So today is going to be special because, please come here. Woo! There we go.
Here we are.
So I'm gonna make this guy today a master pizza chef. Fabio, famous as a
Faffapix.
Faffapix.
Is the name.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna write down right there. So my friend, today is special video for you and special for you because
Yes.
I'm gonna make you a master pizza chef.
Okay, but this is not the right outfit.
So get ready.
Ole! Here we are. Let's go.
That's why it's a special guy. Go please guys, go ahead, check him out, TikToker.
It's not all. I'm hungry.
One moment.
The big pizza.
So
Correct.
14 million subscribers, guys.
Pineapple does go on pizza!
Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
It's a serious thing.
Vito, let's go. 13, almost 13.
Well, after this video, you're gonna become to 14
okay.
million subscribers.
Vito, I have a present for you. This is pineapple to put it on the pizza.
My friend, you put the jacket, you put everything professional, but you guys see what he got? It's down on my kitchen.
No!
That's
Oh
it.
my god, oh
Gone.
my god.
Gone.
Anyway, I was joking. I'm
But
Italian.
in my
I'm
house, so I'm serious, my friend. In my house, no pineapple.
No pineapple.
I'm telling you.
Let's go.
So
Let's go.
here, pizza, it's a serious thing, guys. So make sure you get that in your brain. Sorry for you guys that like pineapple on the pizza, but it's against my religion. Let's get ready. Let me get the dough. Let's make this guy a professional pizza chef.
Let's go. I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. So because pizza is a serious thing, I'm going to teach you how to make a serious pizza.
Ooh, looks
Okay.
beautiful.
Look at this. It's like super soft.
Can I touch it?
Touch.
Oh my.
Did you see that?
It's so sticky.
It's full of air. So when you take it out the dough, look at this, because you're gonna learn the whole thing. So guys, of course, for you, this is a masterclass video. And if you want to see a professional course, go ahead, check out the link below. I have a masterclass. Did you know that?
Let's go.
You are getting this. You are getting this for free today.
That's for free for me?
Yeah, for you for free.
My
For
God,
you,
thank
check
you.
the link below. I have a special price. Okay, first thing to do here is put the flour. Pay attention because you're gonna do this after.
I'm really.
Then you cut, and then cut the sides, and then make sure you put a little bit of flour under. You hold the dough. Then boom, take it out on the flour, upside down. Can you make that?
Yeah.
Couple of times in the flour, and then again on top of the table.
That's
So
my turn?
Your turn.
Woo. Okay.
Go for it.
A little bit of flour on the top.
Yep.
That's enough. Also from this
Then
side.
put a little bit more flour where you get the spatula under the dough,
Okay.
because
like
you're gonna
this.
know that this part here is the most important part of making the pizza.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Pull it up, upside down on the flour. Done.
Let's go.
Perfect. Let's take this out of the way. Put this way it doesn't dry out. Today is super hot here. What do you do now?
Upside
Couple
down.
of times in the flour.
Ha.
Make sure it's not sticky anymore.
It is not.
Okay, perfect. Now put it on the table, but you're gonna put a little bit of flour on the floor. Put
Okay.
right there. Take it. That's it. Good job.
Oh, change butter.
A little bit more flour. We don't want to get stuck there. Let's get
Okay.
more space right there. Boom, boom, boom. So now follow me.
Okay.
So make sure it's a circle. You can go like that. Gently, you press without touching the crust.
Okay.
So press.
This because of the hair.
We
on
want the
crust.
air go to the crust. This
Okay.
way we get the nice puffy crust. The goal of my pizza is this to be soft and crunchy.
Soft and crunchy.
Yes. So now press and press. Just press. All the way, pressing the air to the crust. When you get there, stop and go back like that.
Okay.
Pressing more. Perfect. Now one end, press the center.
To leave all the hair
Yes.
to go away.
Perfect. Now look at this. One end here, on top. Take off all the flour. Now put it down. Done. One end, you press and control the thickness of the dough. So one end here, press tap, right there. And one end here, you pull gently, pull, turn, on top, down. Now press again. If you see the dough is turning by himself.
Yeah.
Now hold your hand here, again right there, pull a little bit, and now turn, and down, done. Okay, so now when we have about 10 inches, one hand here, that's a little trick.
Okay.
Close your thumb on top, lift it up. You can make it large as much you want.
Ooh.
And then you put it down like that, like a piece of paper. Voila, done. See, you
That's
stretch. At
cool.
this point, we don't touch it anymore. See, you did really good. This is your first time making the pizza?
Pizza napoletana is the first time for me, so...
So now I put 1 scoop of tomato in the center, and then the spoon in the center. Pay attention, record this in your mind. Voila, and you go around, around, around. We go a little bit on the cross this way. When it pop off,
Okay.
we have a nice, you can really see it. Then we go very simple today. Little bit of basil, fresh mozzarella, little bit of mozzarella. We try to cover everything. And now a little bit of olive oil, because the olive oil, let me see if you know, what is the olive oil for?
I don't know.
For the flavor?
Of course, for flavors, because it's from...
But that's it's not for that. The olive oil helps the cooking part. Because it warms up faster, so it helps to cook the pizza. Did you know that?
Oh, no, I didn't know.
Anyway, give me the peel. You
Let's
learned
go.
something today. Watch, little bit of flour in the front here. You pinch it and then boom, one shot under,
Okay.
holding this. And now once the pizza is on the peel, you make sure is the nice and the measure of the peel.
Sick.
Now let's go ahead and let's cook it. So this gas is right now is at the max high flame. So pay attention because this is difficult. Okay, we got stop right there. Then gently, when is it detached, this a little bit on the oven. Then one shot.
Whoa.
And you lower down the temperature of the oven. It's gonna
course.
take about 1.5 minutes to cook. Okay, Fabio, look at this. So when it gets brown on one side, we check the bottom is good. We're gonna go ahead and turn it.
Okay.
It's easy to turn it. You get the pizza, lift it up, and then like that, you go, you turn it.
Okay.
So, you think you
That's
can
right.
make this?
Yes,
The
of
pizza
course.
is almost ready. If it gets burned on the bottom, you have to cook the pizza like that. You lift it up and you cook it like this.
Ah, okay.
So this way you don't burn the bottom. But the bottom is good, so we have to keep it there.
Let's go.
Now, the last 3 seconds, that's what we do. 1, 2, 3. So, boom. Look at this.
Wow.
So the
Guys,
pizza,
it smelled. It's
look at
so
this.
good.
The goal is this. Shh.
Oh.
Soft and crunchy in the same time. So you think you can make this?
Of
I want to
course.
see.
I will try. I will
So
try.
let's put this
Let's
on a plate right there. Actually, first right there. I'm gonna put it in a plate. This way I want to see if you can make this happen. Okay, now it's your turn. Tomato time, I like that.
Like this.
In the center, good job.
Circle.
Guys, first time making the pizza, you know what I'm saying?
Circle, circle, also on the
A little bit
top,
on the edge, yeah.
like
This way we
this.
create this. Look at this.
Oh, okay, okay. You think it's enough here?
Yeah, that's
Maybe a
it.
little more here.
That's good. Yeah, you can go.
Just
That's your pizza.
Okay, okay, okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's enough. That's enough.
That's good.
There's it. Try
Here
to-
we are.
Perfect. Now,
Mozzarella. Mozzarella, mettiamo sta
We don't have pineapple, so
We don't have pineapple.
go with the cheese.
Okay, okay. Magic tricks here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
That's it.
Okay, now is the time. Ooh. Okay.
You remember a little bit of
Yes,
flour.
I remember. Okay.
L'olio. Ah, l'olio. The oil.
Bocciato.
The camera guy just said,
Done,
go
done.
a little bit of olive oil.
Guys, the
forgot.
oil. Don't forget the oil.
Grazie Davide. Go for.
Okay, okay, okay. Arriva, arriva, arriva,
Yeah,
arriva.
this is a little late, but it works.
Coming.
That's it.
It's
That's
coming.
it.
Too
Perfect.
much.
No, that's good.
It's
There's never
good,
too
it's
much
good.
olive oil.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Here we are.
Peel in the front right there is very important. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so like this,
Pinch it.
like this, like this,
No, hold it right here one time. Hold it, and
Hold
then you
it.
put the peel under.
and
Go,
strong.
don't be sure.
3, stronger.
Go, go, go,
Three,
go.
2, 1.
Faster. That's it. Good, good. That's it.
Okay,
Now fix it on the
okay,
peel.
Okay.
You got it, man. You're a fast learner, man.
Thank you.
You can start to work
Thank
with me
you,
at the
Vito.
hey, next catering is Saturday. You have 3 in one day.
Saturday. You pay well?
Make sure I pay good. Make sure you come and see the next video. Anyway, okay, ready?
Let's go, let's go. Now the hard part. Tension music here.
Hold on, don't throw it in the pit. Go inside and stop. Go inside,
Okay.
go inside, little by little. In the front, not in the back. Oh yeah.
Mannaggia
Go,
tua.
go, vai. Don't be. Shut in the back.
Pronto!
And then you lower down the flame.
Okay. Now,
Lower down the flame.
but what's
You're gonna
missing here?
lower down the flame.
Lower down.
Repeat. Repeat is
Tum,
ready.
tum, tum, tum. Okay.
Okay, now wait.
This one now. Checking the.
Oh, wait.
Checking
You
the
cannot
button.
touch it right away.
Okay.
You have to wait. Otherwise, you're gonna make a hole.
Okay. Sorry.
You're gonna let it cook
Okay.
a little bit. When it's now you check. See, it's a little bit brown on the
It's
side.
a little bit brown.
Now you check the bottom.
Now
it's right
check the
time.
bottom.
Check the bottom. Let me see.
How is it?
Lift
Is
it up. I don't see nothing.
It's
Okay,
a little
it's
bit
good.
black here. But
Okay,
it's
so
going
it's
good.
ready to turn. Go ahead
Ready
and
to
turn.
turn. Okay.
Gently, go for it. It's getting there. More.
More.
Turn it.
Come on, Fabio, more.
Turn it.
Okay.
Turn it more.
More.
180 degrees.
It's cooking so fast, this pizza.
Guys, I think he made the pizza a little bit better than me. I think. Place it right here. Fit.
Okay, so 3
3
seconds.
seconds on top.
1, 2,
3.
Oh!
And oh, where you going? Right here.
Oh!
Right,
That's
where you
more
go?
difficult. You didn't do like this. Come on,
Good job,
guys.
applause,
Let's
applause,
go.
guys. I mean, take a look of this
Take
pizza.
a look.
Listen, let's see. The test. That's it. Soft and
Fantastic.
crunchy in the center. Fabio, you did hai fatto una bella pizza. You did a really good pizza.
Thank you so much.
mean,
I
what do you think?
appreciate it. Yeah,
see
that's
the
the
bottom.
Italian blood, probably.
Let's see the bottom right here. Let's see the bottom. The bottom looks good. My bottom looks good. You almost did the pizza better than me. Guys, judge below. Comment below. And smash the like.
Wait. We should taste it.
Of course, let's taste.
Come on.
I almost ended up this video, man. I almost ended up the video. The best part of my video is this. It's eating the pizza. Neapolitan style. But you taste your
Enjoy.
side. Oh, look at this. Tastes bad. Let's go.
That's so good, guys.
You tasted your palate is separating the things, all the flavors different.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, so he became pizzaiolo, a master pizzaiolo in one video. So now, follow the video. Go ahead, smash the like. Go ahead, check out the Instagram page and TikTok. Which one you prefer more?
TikTok and Instagram.
TikTok and
Both.
Instagram. I'm gonna put everything right there. Go ahead. Go see the amazing work, amazing art videos that he did. It's outstanding. That's why he's here with me today, because pizza is a serious thing. And of course,
I cannot
we're gonna eat it all. I'll see you at the next one, guys. Thank you so much.
Woohoo! I think I will present the masterclass, to some of my friends.
Do it.
Of course.
Do
Let's
it.
go.
Thank you so much.
See you guys next
See you.
time.
Ciao.
Mm.